Setting up your shot can be a little challenging sometimes. In this video, I'm going to show you how I set up this shot so that you can set up your own. Hey guys, I'm Amanda Horvath, and this channel is all about video marketing for entrepreneurs. If you are looking to use video this year, then be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss anything. So this that you're looking at is my current set. Sadly, I'm about to move and it's all going to change. So I'm gonna be in your shoes very soon. So in this video, I wanted to take you behind the scenes and walk you through how I set up this shot and give you 4 steps to setting up your own. All right, here's my apartment. You can see, here's the kitchen, here's my desk where we're filming, and then in the back there is the living room. So how do I go about choosing where to shoot in this location? So the first thing to look at is depth. The goal is to get as much depth between you and the background. So my apartment is just a square room, and so what I did was I shot diagonally through it rather than shooting in the living room where I would just be against a wall. Doesn't look as good. The second thing you need to consider is lighting. So if you don't have lights, you're not going to have as many options of where to film within the apartment. You're going to have to film in front of a window to get natural light. You see those lights back there? They are super cheap, like $60 lights off Amazon. I'll link to them in the description below. In front of me right here is actually a window, but I didn't have to shoot like this. I could shoot over there because I had lights. And I just wanted to note that because there are lights in the back of my shot, I had to have a lot of light to fill in the front so I wasn't backlit. The third thing is to clear out clutter. So all this crap in the back used to be in the back of my shot, so you gotta remove it. The fourth thing is to add design. So I added this painting in the background to really make it pop. A couple weeks ago when I shot my last batch of videos, I had flowers, and today I was a little bummed I didn't. All right, that's it. You're ready to hit record. Just be sure to turn off any noise in the background, like the AC. And if you like this video, be sure to show it by clicking like, commenting below, and subscribing so I can send other awesome videos your way. I'll see you in the next video. Setting up your shot can be a little challenging. In this video, this is weird. If I was to shoot, so follow me, if I was to shoot just this direction, you could see that there's not much depth here. But because,
you're completely out of the light right now too. Okay, just so you know, this is not gonna look like it just did. That's the only thing.
It's totally fine. Right?
Okay, cool. No,
I think it's kind of cool that now we're behind the scenes.
Okay.
And it looks different.
Okay.
And look, if this video doesn't work, we'll throw it out.
That's fine. That's
you know
fine.
what I mean?
No.
So the first thing that you should look at is camera placement. And when I'm considering where to put the camera, I'm always paying attention to depth. So anytime that you have depth in a shot, the background can be more blurred out, and that creates a more appealing, let me do that again. Basically, it's just gonna look cool. So that is the first thing to consider, is depth in your background. No, that was terrible. That's fine. The fourth thing, is to add, no, I need to pop right here.